Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I installed this pretty wig from Wiggins. Yes. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely stay tuned until the end of today's video. Go ahead and follow my social medias. They will be on the screen. Then we're going to get straight into the video. Alright, so Wiggins basically sent me a wig and a bunch of things. I'm going to unbox it for you. The box is a little messed up. Do not worry about that. It's just the shipping. So we're going to take off the top. And of course, here is our wig. But before we get into the wig, I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in the box. So it comes with 2 HD wig caps. I already put one on. Yeah. But it does come with wig caps. I just had extra, so I just threw one on. They also sent me some lashes, very natural looking lashes. I'm not a girl who likes big lashes anyway. Really cute. They went ahead and sent me a elastic band, which I will be using in today's video. Yeah, because we need one of those. They also sent me a edge brush with a comb. Love the duo, love that. Definitely a must. And then they sent me a silk bag for the wig itself. After I'm done installing it, you could put it in here because now for the wig, they did go ahead and send me a deep wave wig. It is 24 inches, but it seems longer, which is a good thing. Cap size small. I told them I wanted small. HD lace, y'all already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So this is what the wig is looking like. I'm gonna take off this right here. Take that off. I'm gonna take all of this off as well. And this is what the wig is looking like. Like I said, it does seem longer than 24 inches. The wig is pre-plucked. The knots are pre-bleached. The lace is pre-cut. Well, not pre-cut, but it's pre-cut. And then you go ahead and just cut it to your liking. The band size does come customizable. It's a band on the inside of it. There's no lace at the bottom to cut. A comb at the bottom. Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, y'all know Wiggins don't play. They come and get you ready to go. So, because I didn't go ahead and cut my HD ball cap, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I did go ahead and put the ball cap on, cut out the 2 ears. I put got to be spray all around, that way it'll stick. And I'm gonna go ahead and take a popsicle stick and I'm gonna go back where my hairline basically starts. That way when I cut it, it'll be easier to cut. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. That way I can get my little facelift going. But you're gonna take your scissors and we're just gonna cut off right on that line where we just use the popsicle stick. Alright y'all, so instead of doing the little facelift, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the makeup on my ball cap. So I'm gonna take this Dior, y'all know me, I don't have to get another foundation. Dior Backstage 4W. Put that on the back. Then I'm gonna take this YSL. This is a bronzer that I have. I'm gonna do the exact same thing with the foundation and basically put it underneath the lace because you want everything to look good and blend in together. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some more foundation, typically a little bit more than usual. Take some more of this bronzer, get up in there, and then we're just gonna mix it up together. And then put it on the inside of the lace. Alright, so I just put the makeup on the inside of the lace. It should be the color of, you know, your skin. I'm going to go ahead and just put on the wig to test it out to see if it fits your girl right. It does have an elastic band on the inside of it, so I'm going to just put this on. So now that I have the wig on, I'm basically going to make sure that it does fit me, adjust the wig as needed to where it should go. Making sure both the left and the right side will, you know, look decent. So now we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the install. And like I said, this wig is pre-bleached, the knots pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-washed, everything. Doesn't have a smell, nothing. So all you have to do is do what I'm doing right now. You don't have to worry about doing nothing with the wig. This is straight out the pack. So we're gonna go ahead and fold this back a bit. Fold it back. I'm gonna go ahead and take my glue. Now this glue and the skin protectant, also a lace remover, can all be found on my Amazon storefront, which is in the link in description down below. Just click the link to my social medias and then you'll see my Amazon storefront, if you guys were wondering. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this glue and I'm taking it right on the ball cap, right on the line. And we're gonna go this side. Boom. Now you're gonna take a popsicle stick, a clean popsicle stick. You could use a rat tail comb, whatever you want to use to basically smooth out the glue. I'm gonna go ahead and just use the popsicle stick, it's easier. And you want to make sure everything is even and smooth. That way the wig will lay how it's supposed to. But you're gonna go ahead, let this dry clear before you do anything. And then we're gonna be back once it dries clear and then we're gonna move on with the next step. All right, so now that it's clear, about clear, I'm gonna go ahead in with our second layer. Now your girl does not wear wigs for that long. Y'all, I'll probably keep this wig on for about 2 days. 2 days, a day. Just because sometimes I have things to do and the wig just can't be worn, or I can't be seen with the wig, or I don't want to create content with the wig on, like other type of content. So I don't really leave the wig on for that long. But we're gonna go in with our second layer, doing the exact same thing we did with our first layer. Now if you are going to be wearing this wig for a little minute, definitely do more than 2 layers. But because like I said, I don't wear the wigs for that long, I'm not wearing mine for, you know, too long to be putting 3 to 4 layers, 5 layers, 6 layers. I know girls that be putting like 7 layers on their wig and I'm like, whoa, whoa. But smooth out that glue, make sure everything dries even. I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry clear, and then we're gonna go ahead and continue with the install. All right, so now that it's about clear, except for like the little ball cap, that's fine with me. You can wait. Me, I'm low-key in a rush, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna unfold it. So this part, definitely be careful. Your girl got nails, so if I can do it with nails and these long ones, you can do it. I'm rooting for you. I promise, I'm rooting. So we're gonna unfold it. We're not gonna So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my elastic band, boom, Wiggins Hair, and I'm gonna put it on the tightest setting. All right, just like that, and we're gonna go ahead and let this melt, and we're gonna let this sit for at least 25 minutes, 20 minutes, because this is going to be the first melt. Now the first melt is always the important melt because it shows you basically how everything else is gonna go. Alright YouTube, so I just took off the elastic band. I didn't do anything to the lace yet, but your girl is growing impatient, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. So I'm gonna use an eyebrow razor. You can use scissors, whatever you want to use, up to you. I'm going to start off with, let's see, I'm gonna start off with the left side just because over just like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take some spritz. Spritz is gonna be your best friend. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my fingers just like that, and I'm going to press it into the lace and the ball cap where everything meets together. Take some more. You don't want to overdo it or over drench the lace because you're gonna notice when it's over drenched, and it may start lifting. So I'm gonna let it do that, let it breathe a little bit, let it dry. Now for our elastic band, we're gonna go ahead and put this on, and we're gonna leave this on for at least 10 minutes. Now the spritz doesn't take long to dry, so you don't have to really leave it on for too long, but definitely make sure it's on there, getting everything right. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take Wop our band. Oof. Oof. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out some hair for our edges. We're gonna take it off just right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut this really quickly with some scissors. A very quick edge tutorial. Cut it just like that. I'm gonna take some of this got to be ultra glue to gel. Yeah, where did they go? Where did they go? I'm just gonna place it. Edge brush. I'm gonna pluck out this one. Boom. Yes. We're gonna Alright YouTube, so this is going to be the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned something at that. This is how the wig looks. As you can see, lace wear. Like I said, Wiggins, their wigs pre-plucked, the knots pre-bleached, everything HD lace, everything is amazing, true to length. Yes ma'am, yes sir. All the details on this wig will be found down below in the description box. If you guys did want to go check them out, you are open to, you're more than welcome to. But this is going to be the end of today's video, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and follow my social medias. They will be on the screen, and then I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.